Hello. Hello, and let's film two cats. Yellow one over there. And the black and white one over there. This one here is walking around, taking a look at my berries. Not quite sure what he's doing. Probably trying to find a spot to hunt. This guy? He's watching me. I wonder what he's thinking about doing. I hope he ain't thinking about how to dig up some of my plants. Well, well, this is undoubtedly going to be the shortest video I've ever made. But, like I said, found two cats. And basically, what I've been doing is well, I was doing a little bit of a project, you know, gathering up brush for my Hügelkultur. And actually, you know, I see the one cat, then I see the other cat. I don't know what those two are like towards each other, so I ain't gonna ask that question. But I think that the yellow one is a male. I am not sure about the black and white one. Although that's only because in my experience most of the yellow ones are males. And you got Tom over in here, meowing. It's kind of a pitiful meow if you take my word for it. Gotta be the most pitiful meow you've ever heard. And there he is. Well, he's going to be happy about this, because I've essentially made a bridge for him, if nothing else. You know, I mean, cats don't like getting their feet wet, and this essentially is, well, he doesn't see it as a garden bed. He sees it as a very convenient bridge that cross from over there to back here. And I wager the black and white one was over there. Well, a view of the, we'll see, this is pretty much the same thing, you know. A very convenient bridge across a very swampy area. Yeah, it's probably going to be the cat's bridge. Well, this is Western New York. Subscribe if you like this, post comments, click the like button, and all that sort of stuff. Okay, goodbye.